has a, yeah, she has a bulging bag. She wants to push.
But she's on her way. I already spoke.
So breathe your baby down. That's it. Good. Doing such a good job.
One now? One now? I'll wait till it's two.
Slow, deep breaths. So we've just arrived and Marissa has just been checked and she's already 9 centimeters. And look at that smile. She's incredible. Doing such a great job. She's on her way. Oh, excellent. She's right there. She's got lots of dark hair.
Take a breath and push again. Take a breath and go right back at it.
There you go.
That's it.
Beautiful.
Good. Just
Grab
like
behind your
that.
legs. Grab behind your own legs. Okay.
I want to get one thing, okay? Well, I want one of them off your ones.
You're doing beautifully.
Oh, look at all that hair.
She's right there.
Can you find the heart rate for me?
She's right there. Her hair is sticking out.
Yeah, seriously. Babies.
If you reach down right now, you can fit her head. Her head's right there.
Do you want a mirror?
We're getting ready for sleep.
Okay, so with the neck contraction, I'm going to push like crazy, okay? And
You could braid this hair.
baby's crowny.
She's right there.
Here it comes. Here it comes. All right, let's do it.
Big breath.
Beautiful.
Push.
There you go.
Beautiful,
There you
just
go.
like that.
Harder, harder,
Hold it,
harder.
hold it, hold it.
Take a
There
breath.
you go.
Take a breath and right back at it.
Push.
Again, again.
Push.
You're doing okay. Just,
Marissa,
job.
look
And
over here.
again, harder.
just follow your body
Marissa,
bleed.
look
You're
over
doing
here.
wonderfully.
Can you see her?
Good. There you
Can
go.
you see her there? That's her head. Look at all that hair.
Doing great. She's going to be in your arms.
There you go. Nice work.
She's not like the father, he has a lot of hair.
It's gone now. The next time, what we're gonna do is you're gonna hold behind your legs, your thighs. And you're gonna bring your legs back. You're gonna crunch into your stomach, okay? Put pressure behind your stomach. Take a deep breath and push, okay? You gotta crunch into it.
See if it's maternal. Baby.
Can you see the baby's hair from there, Mommy? Is this a good angle?
You see that? She's right there.
Okay, one more, yeah. It does help sometimes when you grab behind your legs and help pull. Give you something. Yeah.
Yeah,
Can I give you
pull
something
the legs
else?
up towards you. Pull
Yeah,
them
give
back
me something.
towards you.
Pull your
Curl
thighs
around the
towards
baby.
you.
Put your chin forward.
Pull your
Curl around
thighs.
the baby.
That's
Pull your
it.
thighs
Good
towards
job.
you.
Just like that.
Go.
You're doing
Good job.
beautifully. Just like that. Good. Nice and gentle.
Keep
You're
it
doing
coming, keep it
beautiful.
coming.
Mommy, look how much she comes
That's
out
the
when you
way.
push like that. Look. You can
She's
see.
coming.
There
Beautiful.
she goes.
Just like that. That's perfect.
That's perfect.
Perfect. Just like that.
Good, Mommy.
Just like you planned. It's okay. Her head is out.
That is out.
Her head is out. Good job.
Good, Mama. Just breathe.
It's
right
okay.
now. Take a breath.
Big push.
It's okay.
Little cord. That's okay. Big push. Hard push. Good shoulder. Keep coming, honey. Shoulder. There we go.
Okay, here she
Beautiful.
comes.
Here comes baby. You did it. Blanket.
Look
Look,
down.
honey, look down,
Look
down.
down. Take your
There you
baby.
go.
There she is.
Oh
There
my
she is.
gosh. Good.
Congratulations. What a beautiful job.
Who's gonna cut the cord? You cut the cord. Oh, I can't believe it.
You did it. Look at her. She's gorgeous. Good job, Daddy.
Nice work.
Good job, Marissa.
Good
come the contractions, every 10 minutes, then they just start coming.
Then they just start really coming on, yeah.
I thought it was Braxton Hicks.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me just sit here and see what kind of tear you have, okay?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're amazing. So proud.
What's the glasses?
We're a strong, determined mommy.
I can't believe it. Everything was so great.
So great, so fast. That was incredible. What an experience.
Yeah, we have a little angel.
She is gorgeous.